Uh-oh. Did I forget to let you out the cage, Bailey Whaley? Okay, y'all. I'm about to show y'all what I got from Aldi's. The fruit vegetable stand. And I guess y'all could watch me cut up my salad. Okay, hold on. Let me let my other dog out the house. Out the house. Let me let her out the cage. Lord have mercy. But yeah, hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Let her crazy tail out. But y'all know how she be acting. She crazy. Okay, come on, DJI. Get it together. You ready, boo-boo? You ready? Hope it's sweet. You and Bailey have a love-hate relationship. Got my mini cucumbers. Oh, who's talking to put this in? Got me some salmon. All these. Don't sleep on all these. And that's all it is. Yeah, I'm about to make me some chicken salad. And I saw this. Their seasonings are $4. I think that's a little high for that. I can make that myself. Okay. The tomatoes look real red and ripe. They might be real good. Got yellow potatoes. And I got me some corn. Yep, we about to shuck some corn. Not today. Alright, y'all, I'm about to show y'all what I bought from Amazon. I'm always buying something from Amazon. If y'all have never tried insomnia cookies, y'all need to try them. 24 hours. They open 24 hours, 7 days a week. Let's see what I bought from Amazon. This fridge organizer.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
Okay, I'm back, y'all. I just washed those dishes. The new containers I bought. I'm gonna put my lettuce and all that in this big container. Cut up my tomatoes, cut up my cucumbers. I'm gonna put some cheese in there. I think I got some banana peppers and I got pickles. I got I don't know what you call them. The little hamburger chips, dill chip, whatever you call them. The sliced pickles. I got some of those. I'm gonna cut up and put them in those smaller containers. So that way when we want a salad, well, when my husband wants a salad, he can just go in there and just spoon it out and put it on his plate. Because I don't know what it is. Every time I make like a taco salad or a salad and I mix it up and put my salt and pepper on there, he'd be like, make my salad like yours. And I'm like, I didn't do nothing but put salt and pepper and mix it up. But I used to do that to my mama when I was growing up. Yeah, I'm about to eat one of these insomnia cookies. But I used to do that to my mom growing up. I don't know what it is, but when they mix up their food, they make it look pretty. And it just seemed like it just looked like it tastes better. I used to be like, Mama, make my tacos like that. And all she did was put the meat, lettuce, tomato, cheese, sour cream. But like I do now, she would make her tacos first. Put everything in the shell, lay them on the plate, then she'll chop it up and make a taco salad. So now I do that. At my big age, I do that now. And my husband be looking at it like, make my taco like yours. But yeah, if y'all have not had insomnia cookies, yeah, every time we go riding downtown, before we head home, we stop and get cookies. They're a little pricey. You can get 6. 6 for $15. But they be so good. We bought these cookies yesterday. Maybe around 8-ish, 9-ish. And I'm just warming this up. And it tastes like it just came out the oven. And yeah, I'm snipping still. I have the worst allergies. I'm allergic to perfume. I'm allergic to dogs. I'm allergic to apples. I'm allergic to pollen, dust. Yeah, I'm allergic to everything. I'm probably allergic to myself. So, if you hear me snipping, oh well. I'm just allergic to everybody. People, orange juice. Ain't no telling what I'm allergic to. But I eat apples, y'all. I have 2 dogs. I love wearing perfume. So yeah, we're gonna keep doing what it do. I just have to take my tissue. hmm Like yesterday, I think my husband gave me a cold. He won't admit it, but I think he gave me a little cold, and it might be allergies on top of that. Cause my nose, I left work. Hell, when did I leave work? What's today? What's today, Bailey? She looking at me like, what are you talking about? And who are you talking to? Today is Sunday. I got off work Monday morning. No, Wednesday night last week. Yeah, I'm losing it. So I've been off since Thursday, Friday, Saturday, today, and off tomorrow. And I noticed my throat started getting itchy. And I said, I know I'm not catching a cold. My nose was stopped up. One side was stopped up, the other side was running. So I think I stayed in the house all day. No, we went out Thursday. Thursday night. We went out Friday. Ran some errands. Yesterday went to a birthday barbecue for my husband's stepmom's stepson. He passed, but their birthdays are the same day. So they celebrated both of them. And y'all feeling good outside in the fresh air. But my nose was still a little dry and stopped up. So after we left there, we went riding through downtown. Yeah, downtown is wild. First of all, when we got down there, a group of kids, a group of boys were fighting. That's not uncommon in Atlanta. A group of boys were fighting. What else did we see? We always ride down Peachtree Street down by the Fox. My favorite place to ride past is Bulldogs. If y'all never heard of Bulldogs in Atlanta, if you know, you know. It'd be so funny because the sign on the front door says enter at the rear. And I just think that's hilarious because it's a gay club for gay men. But if you pay attention, you'll see a lot of straight men going in Bulldogs. They was having an all-white party. That's what the sign said on the outside of the door. I saw a lot of, they may have been gay, they may be down low, but they looked like they were straight. A lot of them had on white shirts. And I'm like, oh, I know where y'all going. Because they was walking up the street. I know where y'all going. Anyway, we came back up. There's another spot downtown we want to try. It's called, I think it's called Prime on Peachtree. I think the next time we go out, we're going to go there and see what that's about. I may have to look it up just to see if it's like a steak or seafood or whatever it is. But it seemed like it was pretty cool. A nice little vibe. But then as we were riding back up Peachtree, I think it's Peachtree Street, I don't know. Peachtree Road, whatever. We was at the stoplight. I looked to my left. I see Shamar. Cricketback Shamar. On his phone. And I was like, oh, there goes Shamar. Like I've never seen him in person. On his little crop top with the fringes. So I'm quite sure he was going in Bulldogs to act a fool. But he was on his phone. Then he had some, I don't know if that was his little boyfriend standing behind him. I didn't want to put him on camera because he was looking, you know, people like that, they'd be like, oh, if you took a picture, oh, you owe me such and such. So I was like, I'm not going to take no picture. I was just going to record his tail. But he was sitting there on the phone like he was important. I shouldn't even mention his name in this video. But he ain't the only person named Shamar. Well, I did say Cricketback. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Anyway, drink me some orange juice. Now you know you're not supposed to be doing that. That's why you're looking at me. Put it back. Put it back. She took a blanket out of her kennel. And the dogs know what they be doing. Dogs are smart. She pulled it all the way out. And then she over here looking at me. Anyway, let me drink my orange juice, y'all. So yeah, let me start putting all these salad fixings in my tray so I can put them in the refrigerator. My other dog, he outside rolling around in the grass, y'all. He is having a ball. Let me see if I can show y'all. I'm gonna roll it up. I might just stir it. Yeah, he is having a ball. When they do that, y'all, that mean they happy. They are happy in their environment.
You keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, just a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between us, all you two turned up. Never turn down though, when it's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you been looking, won't find it like this. Know you been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. That I attest, I'm like grinding it. Just cycle, I swim and I run. Whatever you need, I'll try out the line with it. Turn on the lights, take a flick. Just don't be running this shit. Hey, I can see you as my chick. Nah, I can see you as my. You keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, just a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between us, all you two turned up. Looking like art, that's masterpiece. Make a say unlike masterpiece. You should name yourself after me. Don't nobody really want you bad as me. If you walk away, that'd be sad to see. But if you plan to stay, baby, have a seat. On my every day, any day, every time, all the time, in my mind. Summertime, dinner time. I just wanna see you cross the finish line. Feeling like Jimmy, I give you this Johnson. Know you like filming that content. All in your bank and I never pull out. I just like making deposits. Yeah, you keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, just a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between us, all you two turned up. Never turn down though, when it's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you been looking, won't find it like this. Know you been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these in.
Okay, y'all. I need you to act right, DJI. I don't have my phone. I don't have my phone hooked up, so I can't move it. Hey, follow me. Okay. Good boy. Okay, so I just finished cutting up all my ingredients for my salad. So my husband come grab a salad. All he gotta do is grab a plate out the cabinet, get a spoon, and put everything on this plate. But here we go. So we have the salad here. We have cheese, cucumbers. One of these is Kobe Jack and one of these is triple cheddar. They look the same. We have banana peppers, cut up pickles, and tomatoes. And I put the croutons and pepper. So all he gotta do is put it on his plate in a bowl and put his dressing on. So yeah, I think that came out pretty neat. So yeah, I'm about to put this in the refrigerator. Head upstairs. I'm actually about to watch one of my new subscribers. I saw her in the mall and she saw me with my camera and she came and introduced herself and asked me about my camera. She has the same camera. So yeah, her name is Beyond Mion. So y'all should go subscribe to her page and also subscribe to mine's Just a Southern Girl 27. And y'all go check out my blogs. But anyway, I'm about to go upstairs, get comfortable, and find something upstairs to do. So I'm about to put this in the refrigerator, and I'll see y'all when I get upstairs. That looks so pretty and organized. Okay, y'all. I know y'all are wondering why my room is so dark. But being that me and my husband work night shift, day shift, whatever shift. So when we work nights and get off in the morning, the room has to be pitch black. It's not really pitch black. Let me close this door and see. That makes it different. Yep. A little bit. Dark enough. But yeah, when we're getting off, my DJI don't want to act right. Probably because you can't see my face. Yeah, we like our room to be dark. Yeah. Okay. Let me get myself situated. Is in your mouth. Oh, shit, I'm always chewing on something. Ma'am. That is not a bungee cord. Y'all love my braids. But honey, they are hot. And I'll be ready to come home and pull them up. And they still fresh I've only had them for 2 weeks. But it ain't nothing like getting up and all you have to do is shower, brush your teeth, and put your clothes on. Honey, we at home. We're not going nowhere else. That's gonna be that. I should have filled my cup up to get me some water. I don't feel like going back downstairs. Okay. Now she want to eat her food after she done caused all this ruckus. And she haven't even been out an hour. Y'all, I'm tired. Just for walking up the doggone stairs. Whew. Let's see what we're about to do in here. Not too much. Yeah, I see somebody posted on Lemon 8, but big back salad. And I just made me a big back salad. It's not really, I think it's more nutritious because this one don't have like pepperoni, sliced up sandwich meat. What else I usually put in there? That's about it. It didn't have no croutons. Yes, it did. It did. I'm lying. It had the mini croutons. Y'all can see I'm out of breath. And I just walked up the stairs. I just went from downstairs to upstairs. Child. Okay, somebody else just posted a vlog. I'm gonna watch that. And it's so crazy, y'all, because half of the time, that's all I watch. I watch vlogs. I may watch the news. I love watching Sanford and Son. We watch that at night, in the heat of the night. Yeah, I'm watching vlogs all day. Bailey. Bailey. Hold on, y'all. If you don't get yourself out of here, let me turn my fan on because it's hot. It's a little warm. Okay, y'all. I haven't been on my phone really all day. Anyway, it's nothing to do in here. And it's so crazy that I met this new vlogger because she has a lot of budgeting videos that I want to watch. And y'all, I have my budget book. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my budget out of the way for this week. And it's so crazy because she bought the same planner that I bought off of TikTok from I Am Her Stationery. And I see she got some more, but she has different styles. And I think I'm gonna buy another one. Being that it's May, I don't know if I want to buy one. Because I hate she didn't make them in like November, December last year for this year. So I don't know if I want to buy one in the middle of the year. But this is the 5th month. We're almost halfway through the year. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Take my little pencil pouch, my calculator. There's nothing to do here. And we're going back to the bedroom. So I'll see y'all when I get in there.
I can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me. I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I give you my life. I offer my best, a sacrifice. Whatever you ask, morning and night, and every hour that shall pass, it's yours to have and hold, to mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So fill this place. Fill this place. I am a vessel born of your clay. Lord, fill this place.
I am about to call it a night. I'm tired. I'm about to get prepared for work next week. Next Saturday, when I make a video, I have a great surprise to tell y'all. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my vlog, Just a Southern Girl 27. And I hope y'all like this video. It may be a little long, but I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all watch it all the way through. And yeah, y'all enjoy y'all Memorial Day weekend. And I will see y'all next time. Peace out.